Everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to another update on Hurricane Michael. It's official. Michael has changed from a tropical storm to a hurricane. It's October the 8th, 2018, and she's going to make landfall in the U.S. in a couple of days. You can see here she has formed just outside of Cuba, just to the west and to the east of Cozumel, heading north, but the western area of the Gulf seems to be spared most of its wrath. Most of the winds and the rain will be taking place to the northeast of the storm, and you can see the track here as she's moving north on Tuesday, and on Wednesday she'll hit land in Florida, Alabama, and Georgia. Ships like the Norwegian Getaway, pictured here, they've canceled ports of call to Roatan in Honduras and Costa Maya in Mexico, and they've decided instead to hang out in Falmouth, Jamaica, and then Grand Cayman. In effect, this ship will tuck in behind the hurricane and stay to the south of it. The other ship that's been affected has been the Carnival Freedom. The Carnival Freedom was supposed to be headed to Cozumel. It's decided to have a day at sea instead in the Western Caribbean, and again also avoid the waves and the winds and all the turmoil at all costs. Ships like the Carnival Vista, the Liberty of the Seas from Royal Caribbean, the Carnival Valor, the Freedom, the Sunrise, the Paradise, the Glory, the Sensation, the Fantasy, the Dream, and Royal Caribbean Brilliance of the Seas, they will all take evasive measures over the next few days to avoid this hurricane. It'll be interesting to see if the port of Tampa will be affected because of all the rains that are expected to hit there. New Orleans, we don't think will be an issue. We'll have to watch and see. But it is going to be an interesting couple of days to watch the update on this storm. I'll keep you posted. Join me Monday to Friday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time. We'll talk about this storm and other cruise ship issues live. Saturdays at 2 p.m. I'm also on. Thanks for joining me, everybody. And we'll keep you posted on Hurricane Michael as she starts working her way north for the USA. Talk to you later.